Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about this stock right here. Don't sleep on this stock. Easy profits could be made over the next couple of days, 2 weeks, and maybe in a month or so. Is this an easy money opportunity? We're going to talk about that right now on this particular channel. Going to do a price prediction for this stock right here that we think it is poised to see higher prices. But as always on this channel, we're going to show you where the tricks, the traps may be laid that could stop this stock from going up. You guys can see what it is right now. Let's go and break this down. Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you all hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. Now, here it is right here. This is Dole PLC. I know a lot of people don't talk about it. I know it's not one of the hottest stocks that's being produced on this platform, but it doesn't mean that you can't make bread from this stock. Take a look at the market. What trend are we currently in this stock? Yeah, the market currently is going up. Now, what happened on yesterday? Well, I would say the last trading day of last week. You guys can see that Dole did go lower, right? It went down and it touched at the very bottom of $13.80. So that, sellers did hit this stock on the 7th of March. But look at the buyers. They was able to bring that market price from $13.80 all the way to a close of $14.86. A whole dollar move within one day. That's huge. Now, even though that is huge, I'm going to show you where the trap could be laid for these buyers. Okay. And it's right here. That's where the problem is. We're going to call this a sell pocket, meaning, as you can tell clearly, that someone, something, a couple of things, they are impeding the progress of the buyers of moving this stock up. Right here. Look at all these days that this market in Dole has been unable to break above $15. Okay, so that's a trap. That's an issue. That's a problem. Here's the next one right here. Okay, so if we're going to anticipate higher prices in the market for the stock, hey, I need to show you where the traps are. These two areas will be traps as to that could cause Dole not to go up. Okay, so now let's look at the market here in Dole on the weekly. Okay, so here it is on the week. So we definitely have seen the market go higher following these 2 weekly price bars. We're trending up. The market has dealt with a blow of selling right here on this weekly price bar because the market closed off the highs, but then selling hit the next week, but the buyers are still able to overcome that selling. So I think these buyers are trying to give us a clue, trying to tell us that they want this stock to go up. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Already the last 2 weeks, we've seen this signal of a buy in the market in Dole. We're going to look for the market to continue to give it us that. Same thing on the 3. This is the final 3 weekly price bar in Dole. The market is giving us anticipation that the market wants to go up. We're just going to simply follow price action. That's all we're doing. We're following the market. So we're going to look for, especially on the long term, that's very powerful to see that on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. It'll be even crazier in the next 4 days and 9 hours that we still have our signal being triggered on the longer term charts here in Dole. The market clearly, even on the 5 weekly chart, is trending up. Okay, you guys can see that. Clean as day. Okay. So now we're going to anticipate that this stock wants to go up. Look at that on the monthly chart. And we're going to go ahead and place this back on the daily. And we're going to look for this stock to go higher. It may even make these all-time highs here in Dole, like $16, $17 or so. So let's go ahead and put this here. Okay, so let's get rid of this sell pocket though, because the market currently is trying to eradicate that area. Our first target is going to be at this first sell pocket around $15.50 to $15.83. That's 6.6%. We're going to aim a next area though, since we're definitely seeing this market bullish on the longer term charts, and we're going to make our next target to be around 17 bucks. Okay. Now we got that as our targets. We're going to look on the 330 to try to see where the buyers are. Okay, so we'll make a buy pocket right there, and one more right here. Okay, so we will want to see these buyers if price comes back down to test one of these two pockets and hold it. Okay, so that's it right there. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.